Alright guys, we're going to identify parts of an expression and interpret complicated expressions. Key points here: vocabulary, algebraic expressions are numbers, symbols, and operations such as plus and or add and multiply grouped together that show the value of something. An example, you have plus sign and minus sign. You have multiplication with the 9 and x squared, 3 times y. Um, Variable, a symbol for a number we don't know yet. It is usually a letter like X or Y, Y, Z, Q, P, etc. Term, pieces of an expression separated by an operation. 9x is a term, 3y is a term, and -2 is a term. You have three different terms here. Like terms that have the same variable with the same exponent. So like -3x squared plus a -4x squared. Coefficient, a number used to multiply a variable like 10 times z or 10z. 10 would be the coefficient. Exponent, the subscript, which tells you how many times to multiply that number or variable. Like w to the fourth power is the subscript. It tells you how many times to multiply w. So 4 would be the exponent. Base, the number that is going to be raised to the power, such as w. Constant, a term without a variable, like -2. It's like a regular number. Factor, items that are being multiplied together to create terms, like 9x squared would be 9 times x squared, and you simplify that, it'd be 3 times 3 times x times x. Factors of that term. If you see this part, make sure you write this down. Each one of these is a term. As you can see, the blue variables are in the red, the x and the x exponents. And the black right here, labeled the 4 is the exponent. Constant is the -7. Alright. The product of 5 and x cubed increased by 3. So 5, make sure, look how I underlined and put a symbol for it. Multiplying 5 and x, and then raise x to the third power, and then increase by 3. Alright, 8 less than half a number. So 8 less than 1/2 a number to the fifth power. So 8 less means the 8's a negative. Alright, so that's 1/2 x to the fifth minus 8. So that's half a number. Same thing as multiplying by 1/2. Number of terms here, we have 2 terms in the first one, A. Coefficients, my coefficient is 5. My constant is 3. My factor is 5 times x times x times x, because that's x to the third power. Right here, terms, these are my terms. 1/2 x to the fifth and -8. And then we got coefficient is 1/2, constant's -8. My factors here, 1/2 times x times x times x times x times x. Alright. Well, thank you. Make sure you take your notes, understand each part, and you can pause it anytime you need to stop it.